Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 126 different strategies, with 45 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. The source video says, stop using old buy sell. This indicator will double your profits. And so, of course, we're going to put that to the claim and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so the strategy itself consists of just one indicator, but it's added twice to the screen. So we'll just go ahead and turn that off there. And it is the SSL channel, and it's this one here by Miss Tricky. And so you'll add that to the screen, and again, you will add it twice. And so on the second one, you'll go in and you'll scroll down here to the time frame, and you will move this to the 15-minute time frame. Now, of course, this is on the 5-minute time frame. The chart is on the 5-minute time frame, and so that gives us a higher time frame than the chart we are currently on, the time frame we're currently on. And so, now, interesting enough, the source video did say that you needed to test this or trade this on the 5-minute chart, but they didn't give us what asset, what Forex pair, or anything like that. And so kind of shooting in the dark with that one at the moment. But let's go ahead again and take a look at the strategy. So if we scroll this back, you can see that the larger channel here is going to be the higher time frame 15-minute channel, and it's going to kind of give us somewhat of an overall trend direction. And then what we're looking for is the skinnier channel here to break out either above or below the larger channel. And so, for example, here you can see that the smaller channel breaks out above the larger one. And then what you're looking for is price action to move back into the smaller channel and or past it into the larger channel. And then you're looking for a buy signal to then take place. And so, for example, you can see here that we get all that criteria there. We have the breakout, the pullback, and a buy signal right here. And so that would be where we would then set a long position right there. And again, per source video, we are going to set our stop at 25 pips. And so it's a consistent 25 pip stop, which again is interesting because we don't know what Forex pair we're testing this on. On some, 25 pips is relatively close. On some, 25 pips is really far away. Nonetheless, then we're going to target a 3 reward. So a 1 to 3 risk reward is what we are targeting in this case. And again, that's going to be your consistent stop and take profit. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it here. All right, so you see there that we just kind of bounce around for a while. Then eventually we make this nice spike right straight up, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade now. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at a sell signal here. So again, we have the larger channel here giving us kind of the overall trend direction. It's in red, so we're in a downtrend. Then the smaller channel breaks out below that larger channel. Then we get price that pulls back into the smaller channel there. And then once again, we get a sell signal right here. I did also go in on the second one and I turned off the buy and sell signals just so that way it's easier to identify when the smaller one is actually giving the signals. If they get kind of really close to each other, it can be a little confusing. Alright, nonetheless, so that gives us all the criteria for a short trade. So we're then going to set a short trade there. We're going to put our stop at the 25 pips again. And we are going to target that 1 to 3 risk reward. So bring this down right about there. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward, see what we get. All right, so it takes us quite a while to eventually get to our take profit. But again, you can see here that we just kind of pull down, chop around in this area for a while. And then this candle right here spikes a big old wick down into our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the trades on this strategy here. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades for a 22% win rate. Now we did have the 1 to 3 risk reward, which is quite significantly putting things in our side, all things considered. But even with the 1 to 3 risk reward on the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600, your total gain would have been $6,600. Now on the losing side, if you were looking to lose $200 per trade, your total loss or drawdown would have been $7,800 altogether, putting you at a negative of $1,200. And so definitely kind of a problematic strategy here. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy that I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We had 66 trades during that same period of time. We had 57 winning trades and 9 losing trades for an 86% win rate. Now on the winning side, you would have gained $34,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $7,020, which give you a total gain of $27,180 altogether. Definitely much better strategy. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex strategy and indicator, you can get a free trial by signing up for our Patreon down below. Then after the free trial, it's only $15 a month, and you have to maintain your Patreon status. And so for a very cheap price, you can definitely get that money back within one trade easily, and then be on your way to making more profits from there. Now, this is Sasquatch right here. He is one of the members on our Discord, and he is a professional Forex prop trader. He decided to take the Academy of Forex strategy that I have mentioned and use it to take a prop firm challenge. You can see in his first 2 days, he has an 85% win rate, over 85% with a profit factor of 5.90, and he is on his way to hitting his targets. You can see here what he says about the strategy and the challenge that he's currently taking. Again, you can look at his dashboard here. And so definitely a really great strategy if you're just trying to make money on your own or taking a prop firm challenge, trying to get funded that way. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly trades. Now, this is the week of ending in 12/8. Haven't done the updated one for this week yet. I'll actually do that today and post it. But so we were tracking the trades of the signals on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto currency here. And for that week, we did 6 trades altogether with 5 winning trades, 1 losing trade for an 83% win rate. Total gain would have been $2,220 on the Forex side. On Bitcoin, we had 3 trades with 3 winners, 100% win rate with an $1,800 gain for a total gain of $4,020. And so again, that would have been a really nice takeaway for anybody for the week. So that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.